Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to fix a problem step by step. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First thing first, you need to go to the profile of your Snapchat. In order to do that, you can click on the profile picture displaying at the top left corner of your screen, which is going to be right beside the search icon. Click on it and it's going to bring you to your profile. Once you're on your profile, scroll a bit down until you see friends over here. So you can see my friends option. Click on it and all the friends you have is going to be shown over here. But the thing is, there is no option in Snapchat which you just can click on so you guys can select multiple friends and unfriend them all at once. It's not possible. As you guys can see, you can only do it one friend at a time. Let's say I want to remove Vaibhav. I can hold on his name and click on where it says manage friendship, click on remove friend and then remove him. I can only remove one friend at a time. This is the feature Snapchat has not provided to anybody, but the only other way to remove all of your friends or multiple friends at once is just deleting your Snapchat account and creating a new Snapchat account and starting from the scratch. That's the only way to mass delete huge number of people. But in another way, you just have to do it individually. So there's no such thing as multiple Snapchat friends deleting at once option. You have to do them individually. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.